There are some 500 small pottery studios in the village of Shuji, producing modern Jian Ware in electric kilns. Most of them are small-scale studios like this one. The majority of them use a rolling head jigger-jolly machine to roll the bowls out in plaster moulds. As you can see earlier, the potter operator is cutting up the pug clay ready to be dropped into the moulds. Once the bowls are dry, they are bisque-fired before being glazed. The GM Ware glaze is composed of the local glaze rock, which has been ground to a powder with the addition of feldspar and rice husk ash. This is then ball milled before being used. Some potters are using more exotic materials to get different effects, but most use just those three ingredients. Modern Jian Ware is fired to a temperature in an electric kiln, and here in Shuji they use silicon carbide glow bars in a well-insulated kiln so that it cools slowly. You can see in the central channel that the wood is dropped through the roof to the floor to produce the reduction atmosphere. The remaining clips in this film were taken in the workshop of Sun Han Bing on the outskirts of Shuji. They show his kiln taken to 1280 degrees centigrade and soaked for an hour, while small pieces of pine are dropped into the kiln for reduction. This process is repeated at around 1100 degrees centigrade on the way down, and then the kiln is allowed to cool slowly. At the end of the film, you'll see some of the results. 4 minutes of time. This was filmed in Shuji, Fujian Province, China in 2016, and I'd like to thank Sun Han Bing. You'll find more information out at temakyu.org.